Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Going to show you these film cans. Actually, they're candy cans or baking cans that you can find at baking stores to put candies in and that type of a thing. Alright, this will save you, and it has saved me a lot of money in searching for film cans that are rusted out or they're very expensive. Okay, they come in different sizes, smaller and larger. Okay, these unscrew, they come in different colors. Alright, it has there's the inside of it. Okay, so if you want to put even your 8mm Bolex in there, you can, from the film bag. Okay, inside, right in here, it's got a protective seal, and that was for the candy. So if you want to remove that, you can. There you are. It comes up really easy. Okay, but I just opted to leave it in there, really. Okay, so from your change bag, whatever film you have going on, you can put it in there as your Super 8. Okay, even your single 8 right there, which is a high preference of mine. I love single 8. Alright, and even there's a different size, a larger size for the 16mm. Alright, it fit right in there nicely, because I also did not want, if and when I do ship film, okay, I don't want my cans, that if I had paid expensive prices for original cans, to get lost. Alright, potentially. So I figured there's got to be a better way, and to me, this is it. Just inside my film bag, I change my film out, screw it in there, just like so, make it as tight as I like. I take my tape and I wrap my tape all the way around here. Okay, and then I put another strip of tape here, and I just, with my pen, I just write on there the film and all the other information on it. Okay, so that's it. Just go to a baking shop. These were, for me, were far under $1 US. Okay, so you can see the savings. All right, and yes, they do come in silver as well. So for me, these cans that I get at a baking shop to use as film cans are a big savings. It's also, again, a big safety. So having my film shipped, you know, if I have it processed out of the country and potentially coming back in something else, and I don't have to go online and purchase some rusted out film cans that are expensive and hard to find, okay, and that type of thing. I can get these new, clean, and I'm ready to go. Alright, so there you have it. Go to a baking shop and grab these. Do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen, and remember, as always, do subscribe. Until next time, see ya.